Okay guys, after trying many things with this particular engine, which I'd love to get it going again, I decided to just totally strip this and put a new one in, because I think something's gone wrong inside there. But I haven't got the wire wool. I just looked for wire wool, haven't got the wire wool, so I'm going to have to reuse the wire wool from here. I don't know where I put the nylon string there, as you can see, so I'm going to try and use this nylon string as well. Then I'm going to replace all this here again and see what happens from there. So that's it really. So I'm going to strip this part now and see what happens. So this is what I have to make again. I could use this one, but you know, I don't know. And what you do, you just put the hook on there, some wire, put this onto it with that, and that should be in the tin nice and smooth. And just bend these round like this to hold this wire wool down. Good mind to use it anyway again. Okay, so I had cut one can down to this size like this. Okay, and the other can obviously cut the top off and cleaned it up. Wire wool out. As you can see, this is the wire wool, and all it is nylon string holding this with this paper clip, I think it is, and just holding it down, so push it in. So guys, I've cut another one out, and if anybody is thinking of making one of these, this is I cut about 1 3/4 here, along here, the full length of the can, 1 3/4, and I just marked a few spots where these will fold. As you can see, one side is coming out, and it's the can's from there, and the other side is cut in to the can. So really, size is about 1.5 inches from there to there, but you got to leave that much. So I left 1 3/4 in. So that's what the can is now. Possible, not too tight, but tight as possible, to go inside there and just staple it down here so that it does slide in and out nice and easily. I'll put the wool in, pinch these things in on this side, and that will be done then. I used the third can obviously because I didn't save the other one. So guys, I'll put this together. The thing is, I don't like this nylon thread here, a string, so I'm going to have to find another one because I've got a knot in the middle and I need to be flexible. So yeah, this is nicely fitting this. Staple it together, as you can see, staples. Now I've decided to completely do this here. Hang on, where's it gone? This part of it. So I'm going to completely renew this and this, and this is the other end where that will go in there this way up, and the string will go through there, and then eventually this will go down onto there, and that'll be it. That's sorted then. So this is what I've done. I put that in, glued it down both sides, that side and this side, and that's it. From here I have put it tied it up, because basically this is like a, how do you call it, paper clip going in the hook there. You tie that up. So next stage, also I have put this in here, put that down. Next stage is to put this through there and put it on here, make it tight. I think I might have to put super glue on there. So I've made a hook, sorry, it's hard to see, a hook out of a paper clip, which will go at the end here, and the fishing string will be tied there. Okay, I finally got the fishing line through. There it is, as you can see. So I'll put that in there. That should be a good fit in theory. Good fit, that is. Gardening gloves. So just to put this in square, as I say. Okay, well, I've got it on there nicely. I didn't put super glue or anything on it. I used my gloves, which is important for safety, and got it in there somehow. Anyway, look, this is so it goes up and down quite well, nicely. Okay, I had to get a chicken pie and eat it, so I could have one of these. So I'm going to basically put that inside through there, which will go up there. This is now done nicely. Then I'll put a balloon on top of this, and obviously the nut and bolt through there. So guys, I've got this balloon here, got a nut and bolt through there, as you can see, right, and then this is going to go onto this piece here, and I shall just use another nut, put that in there. What's going to happen now, before I do all that, I'm going to have to put the balloon around this here, put a rubber band to hold it. It's nicely, this has been nicely put in. That's a new one, new tube I'll put on, and that will hold that there. And when this is holding there, I shall then attach this to this end here, like this, and put this tube inside here. I might cut a bit off, put a bit of tube in there. That'll be sorted there. This is working nicely now, and it is sealed inside so that the water's not coming through. I've made a bit of a butch-up job here, but it's still alright. The little hook I made with the paper clip earlier on, I'm going to put that on. This is just for adjustment, slight adjustment, not even a lot. That's for adjustment here. You can see it. Hang on. So that's for slight adjustment here, right here. I'm going to hook it onto there. Then I'm going to put this thread, fishing line, on there. Hook it onto there. And it's giving me adjustment, a slight adjustment up and down to just make it right. So I've got the balloon on here like this now. As you can see, balloon on there. Everything I've sealed with this heat glue, and seal this down as well, heat glue. And I'll put this on there, so should be working soon. So here I am going to test it now, guys, for the first time since repairing it, and the candles are burning under there. There's 2 lots of candles there. I've got the water in the top there with a bit of ice in there. Let's hope it works. Well, I got it working, guys. Not brilliant, but it's working. Took me a bit of time, adjustments and everything else. And this I had to do again. There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll explain a little bit more about this in a minute. Okay guys, so last piece of information there. It took me a while to do this. This is okay. It's just that it's not working like I want it to work quite fast. When I first made this, trust me, it was working fast. It was working under a large candle, but this time it's not working under a large candle. Nevertheless, it is working. So, if you do this, you just gotta be careful. Make sure that there's no air going out of there. This needs to put this down as an adjuster so you can adjust it like, you know, close it up or open it out a little bit, and also put this one thing as an adjuster so you can adjust that. Where am I? Sorry, there. So you can adjust that up and down to so that this is tight. So when this is down like this, when this is down, this should be on the highest part here, and so you just have a little bit of play there. That's what it should look like. Okay, as far as I know, they say when it is on the side like this, halfway up and down, this should still be tight. So this is halfway like this. This should still be tight here. Should still have a tightness there, and that's basically it. I will post some links to the templates I found underneath, so you can have a look at the links, and there's plenty of videos that show you how to make this part, but there's not many videos how to make the engine part. So yeah, if you do try, I hope it works for you. Enjoy. So one more thing is balance the weight. What happened is I saw a link where they put the wire wool just hanging there, and they weighed it so the wire wool would hang up with this weight there, just in mid-air, and so they say it would help the engine to flow a bit better. So maybe that's the reason mine wasn't flowing well. Maybe I got too much weight there. I didn't even think about that, but just in case you do make it, well, now you know.